Alright guys, so here we have level 2 DIY number 4. Okay. Now, the I can statement says I can use mental math. So the challenge on this one is to see, can you solve these problems in your head? Okay. Now, let's say you've got some problems that you're not quite yet ready to solve in your head. You could always go get counters or snap cubes. If you decide that you need to solve some of these problems with counters or snap cubes, you're going to want to go get a tower of either 10 snap cubes or go get you a group of 10 red and yellow counters. Okay. Now, when I talk about using mental math, that's math that we do in our head. Okay. For example, 5 minus 5. I know in a snap, 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay. I didn't have to use my fingers to count. I didn't have to use snap cubes to count or counters. So my challenge to you is to do as many of these as you can in your head. For those of you that you're not quite ready to solve those problems in your head yet, go get you 10 counters or go get you 10 snap cubes. Okay? When your subtraction problems are written like this, up and down, that's called vertically. And this long line represents the equal sign. So you're used to problems probably looking like this more often, like this. 5 minus 5 equals something. Okay? This is still 5 minus 5 equals something, 0. It's just written up and down vertically. All right, friends, I can't wait to see what you have to show us.